Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine. And today I am going to show you how to extract elevation points from Google Earth and how to create them by ArcGIS, as well as how to create contours. Let's start. First of all, we open the Google Earth software. Select your area or area of interest or study area. I'm going to select this area, create a path file and give a name. Give any name. I'm going to type elevation. Draw as much you can, so it will give you more points. Okay, and if you want free digitization, and then continuously press the left button of the mouse, so this will make you easy to get more points. Okay, now I'm going to finish. Save this file. Right click on this file, save place as. I'm going to save in my folder. I already made a folder, and click save. Okay, in the next step we are going to use a website called GPS Visualizer. In this website, we will select the look up elevations option. Scroll down. Okay, here we upload our KML file that we digitize. Okay, select the elevation file, and second option, convert and add elevation. This will give us the output file as a GPX. Here we can see the output file is available. Now download this file. Now I'm going to save this file in my folder. Now I'm going to use ArcGIS software to convert GPX file into a shape file. For this, we have to go to open toolbox. Here in conversion tools, click and select from GPS. Select GPX to feature. Here we put the downloaded file, this one. I'm going to change the output elevations. Click save. Okay, and now you can see the result. These are the points that we draw on Google Earth. Let we check the attribute table for elevation values. Either they are here or not. Right click on the shape file, open attribute table. The elevations are here. Okay, see here IDW. Okay. You select IDW and select elevation shapefile as an input, and select we are selecting the elevation values as Z value. Output, the output will be in same folder. I'm going to save, click OK. Let's see how it looks. This is the resultant, as you can see. Now I'm going to see how it look in ArcScene. So we have to go to ArcScene and open the created dem file. Okay, here we can see the elevation, the minimum and maximum values. Right click on the dem file, properties, select go to base height, select plot on a custom surface. I'm going to change this value to see how it extrude. See, I'm going to change the color, how it looks. This is the resultant. Let's fly, how it looks. Let's go back to ArcMap to create contours. To create contours, we will go to our toolbox and select Spatial Analysis tool. Go to Surface, select Contours. Here we see it asks the input raster, so we will provide it a dem file, our created dem file. Select the output. I'm going to save same folder. Click OK. Now here, first of all, check the maximum and minimum values. According to that, you will make your contour map. I'm just giving it according to my values. So I will give it 50 interval. Click OK. Here you can see the result. The contours are here, and if you want to check the values, right click on the shapefile